Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're looking at what could be the best center console subwoofer box on the market, the QPower Single Triangle Car Audio Ported Subwoofer Box. Whether you're upgrading your car audio system or building one from scratch, this might just be the missing piece you need for punchy, deep bass that resonates through every corner of your ride. Let's talk about design. This isn't your typical rectangular box. It's a precision-built triangle ported enclosure, and that's not just for looks. That unique triangular design is engineered to improve airflow and minimize distortion, giving you louder, deeper bass that doesn't get muddy. The ported style allows for more efficient movement of air, meaning your subwoofer can perform more dynamically, especially in those low-end frequencies that really bring music to life. Inside, you've got a spacious 2.2 cubic feet of air volume. That's a generous internal space tailored for most 12-inch subwoofers. It gives your sub room to breathe and hit harder without straining, and it's tuned to 54 Hz. A sweet spot for enhancing that punchy low-end response that bass lovers crave. Whether you're into hip-hop, EDM, or just love the rumble in cinematic soundtracks, this box is built to perform. Now let's talk build quality. This isn't made from cheap particle board. It's crafted from dense 3/4-inch medium-density fiberboard. That's MDF for short, which provides excellent structural integrity. It resists vibration, which is key when you're dealing with high-powered subwoofers that can rattle everything around them. That MDF is then coated in a rugged bed liner finish, the kind used in truck beds. It not only looks aggressive, but it's also resistant to moisture, scratches, and general wear and tear. You're not just getting performance, you're getting durability too. Hookup is easy thanks to the spring-loaded terminals that ensure secure wiring. Clean connections mean clean signals, and that translates to cleaner sound. And because it features a universal fit for most standard 12-inch subwoofers with an 11-inch cutout diameter, you won't have to worry about compatibility. In short, this subwoofer enclosure is a smart, high-quality solution for audiophiles who want more than just loud bass. You want tight, responsive, room-filling lows, and the QPower Single Triangle Ported Subwoofer Box delivers. From its optimized airspace to its durable coating and unique shape, every part of this enclosure is built with purpose. So if you're serious about your sound system and want a box that both performs and lasts, this might just be the best center console subwoofer box you can get right now. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more real, in-depth breakdowns of the gear that makes your life better. See you in the next one.